that color. Oh my days, I didn't know I'm going to be creating another super bomb, another bomb ass, you know what I mean, bomb ass with this eyeshadow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So get selling. So I'm just going to go straight ahead and start this makeup look. Nothing too dramatic, just kind of a bronzy smoking eye look, but I'm not going to be making the smokiness on the outer corner to be too dramatic. I'm going to keep it very subtle, very wearable, a daytime look. So yeah, every product I use, in case I didn't mention anything, please feel free to check the description box. So for face primer, I'm going to be doing my face before I do my eye look. I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Stick Primer. I'm using this primer, not that I didn't like it, just because it was a first impression, so I decided just to keep it for quite some time, and later I'm going to be using it. So yeah, I'm basically just going to apply it on my T-zone, my cheekbone, the place which I get oily fastly. So for the rest of my face, I'm going to be using this Benefit the Pro-Less Mass Rescue Primer. I'm just going to use that, the place I didn't apply the Smashbox. If you have oily combination skin, you know the struggle. So I'm going to be using this Hudabeauty setting powder. This one is in banana. I'm just going to set my face just a little bit, so it will smell exactly like the foundation. So yeah, I'm not going to be applying too much, just a little bit, because we don't want this makeup to be too heavy. So yeah, foundation, I'm going to be using two foundation. I'm going to be using the Hourglass stick foundation, and this one is the sable. And I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty Profiles, you call it. So I'm going to be using this one, and the shade of this one is nutmeg. The reason why I'm using these two foundation, this one is a bit dewy, so this one is super duper matte. Of lately, I'm tired of foundation. I don't know why, guys. If you guys have that feelings, please do let me know what brings the feelings. I don't know, I don't just know. I feel that my face or my skin at the moment is not reacting to any product, because my skin is doing well at the moment. Shake it and apply 2 pumps of foundation. So in case, guys, you get any discoloration from the lights, my window super huge, so I open it. I'm using natural light, and I'm still using my ring light, so please just bear that in mind in case if there is any shadow behind me. Okay, I'm going to be taking this bhcosmetics brush. Of lately, I've been loving to do my face before I do my eye look. Reason being, when I apply my foundation before do my face, highlight and contour, those good stuff, I intend to be more faster than when I do my eye look before. Also reason number two, because when I do my face before, my eyebrow just pop out well without no mistake, and yeah, and I've been doing it. I did it long time ago, but of recently, that has been what I've been doing every now and then before I apply my eye makeup look. And everything just so fast, you know. Sometimes makeup can be so really tiring, you know. Oh, I'm still going to set my face once again with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. So for highlight, to highlight under my eye, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio 24-hour smoothing weary concealer in the shade NW42. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade C16. Guys, anytime I use this MAC Studio Fix concealer, under my eye is just burning and I don't know why. And also when I use the Maybelline Fits Me concealer, I also have that feeling and I don't know the reason why. But when I use any other concealer, it's not doing me anything at all. I don't know. So to blend in my nose contour, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. snatched contour brush. Okay, it's going to make my nose super snatched. So yeah, I love this brush a lot. This is my Rada Dye nose contour brush. I'm just going to go ahead and use a damn beauty blender. I'm just going to go straight and blend my nose. I'm going to start from my nose today because we already have a bit of mess while blending the contour. I can't remember the last time I did a video at daytime. Normally I'm always doing my video in the evening, you know, always in the evening, but now I'm doing it, and which I'm not really used to at all at this time of the day. I'm at work, guys. But anyways, sometimes, you know, life change. So for extra highlight under the eye, I'm going to be using the L.agirl concealer in the shade Nude, just under my eye, not any other place. Okay, just like so. So to set my eye, I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty powder, the one I used to set my face before I apply the face primer. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using MAC Fix NW58. Just set my contour. I'm going to be taking this Bobbi Brown called L'Oreal. I love to use this brush, especially when it's... This was my first blush I ever bought when I started doing makeup. When I started wearing like full face makeup. What I mean full face makeup, when I start doing my eyebrows, wearing lashes, mascara, eyeliner, you know. This is the first blush and you can tell how long now, and I still have it because I don't use it every day. So I'm still going to go ahead and apply a little bit of powder under my eye in case of any fallout from eyeshadow. So yeah, I need to prevent my under eye. Eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using the L.agirl concealer as an eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to apply that all over my eye. I'm just kindly tapping it. I'm not really swiping it. I'm just tapping it so that it can stick to my eyelid. So the concealer can stick to my eyelid, not there. If you guys have any question, I'm going to be doing Q&A. Before I forgot, I want to do a Q&A because someone left a comment on my video, I think a month ago, that I had to do a Q&A, that I have to tell you guys a little bit. Of course I have a Q&A on my channel that's a bit old now, but if you want to see Q&A from me, telling you about myself a little bit, my private life, what is going on behind the scenes, you can always feel free and leave a comment. Okay, a lot of people complain too much, you're too private, you're too private. So yeah, I'm just going to use the rice powder on the sponge just to set it a little bit from creasing. Re-Affair palette, as you can see, taking this shade called Lord, sorry, I'm taking this shade called Lady, this one right here, kind of a very dark peach color. So yeah, I'm just going to apply that on my crease and blend it towards my inner corner area. We're taking Dulce, so yeah, this one right here. To blend the edges, I'm going to be taking this Primary Rose just to soften the edges because I don't want it to be too dark. I'm doing a very soft look for daytime. So for my lips color, I'm going to be taking this color called, what is it called? Called Hona. So yeah, Hona. Very beautiful color, and I'm taking that shade again called Lady. I'm just going to blend the edges very softly around. Using the eyestudio by Maybelline. This first, I'm going to line my waterline. Smoke my waterline. I'm going to be taking this shade called L.agirl. So yeah, this one right here. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Ruler Mascara. Reason why I love this mascara, it has a very tiny, precise brush, so you can really control how much quantity product you apply on your lashes. So at the end, I'm going to apply on my bottom lashes, but I have to spray my face before. When my lashes is getting tacky, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face using badescu rosewater. My lashes is popping. What more do you want, darlings? I am loving this color. I love the color. I love the color. Like, you know, when I got this Royal Fair palette, I wasn't joking. I mean business, okay? Anyway. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrow. I'll be right back, okay? Stay. To highlight, I'm going to be taking the Becca highlighter, and this one is called Opal. So to line my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner, and this one is called Plum. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. The color is number 55 and the name is called Driver. Lip gloss, I'm going to be using this Anastasia lip gloss, and this one is called Saint Prose, okay? Saint Prose. Okay. Do I like it? This is the second time I'm using this lip gloss. It's kind of being pink. Do I like it? I don't know. Anyway, guys, we are done with the makeup. Okay, stay tuned for the outfits, right? Let me know what you think. 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 Yeah, I hope you guys like it. This blouse right here is from Zara. Everything I'm going to be wearing today, they are from Zara, except from the bag, okay? So yeah, and my glasses, okay? My glasses and my handbag, they are not from Zara, okay? So yeah.